Hey car enthusiasts, it's Janelle, back representing Alexander Motorsports. And today I'm here with another package from my automotive accessory store. I did an unboxing when I first announced the store, so I decided to order another item that I personally wanted to see, you know, the quality, what it's like, make sure it's something that I should be selling on my website. So without further ado, let's get started opening up the package. Okay. So I ordered an anti-slip mat. It goes on like the dash of your car or somewhere. I guess you could put it in your office too, but of course, since I sell automotive accessories, I'm gonna put it in my car if it's something I like. So let's open this up. Okay, I had a time opening this package, but let's get into it. All right, so here it is, the anti-slip mat. It has rhinestones, which I love glitter sparkly stuff. All right, so let's open this up, pull it out the plastic, see what it's like. It does say it's washable and environment friendly. And since it goes in the car or wherever you want to put it, it has the adhesive, so I'm not gonna peel it off yet until I'm ready to put it on the car. But I like it. It looks good. It seems to be good quality. And it's black, so it'll match the interior of my car. So let's head on out to Medusa. Put this bad boy in there and see how it goes. All right, so I think this is the position I want to put the anti-slip mat in on my dash. I think it'll be a good spot. So I'm going to peel it off, see how it looks, and go from there. All right, we got it on. Think it looks good. See a couple sparkles from the sun hitting it. I like it. I like the way it looks on here, so I'll be keeping it. All right, I am taking pre-orders for this lovely anti-slip mat. It does come in two sizes, which is square and rectangle. I'd also like to mention that the back is actually not adhesive, just a material to keep it in place. So get your orders in, guys, and until next time, peace out. Hey car enthusiasts, it's Janelle, back representing Alexander Motorsports. And today I'm here with two new products that will be added to my store. I haven't opened them yet, so this is going to be another unboxing video. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first product that I ordered is something I'm going to test out, but I wanted to share the unboxing moment with you all. Now, y'all know Medusa is white, and I feel like a white car is the hardest thing to keep clean. But I spend the most time on my wheels. So I tend to miss, you know, some crevices, some spots, and I thought a wheel brush would help me speed up the time, number one, and help me get in those spots that I tend to miss. So without further ado, let's open the package. Now, the wheel brush came in a couple of sizes. I honestly don't remember what size I ordered, but let's open it up and see what it looks like. All right, having a time getting this open as usual. Got the package open, so here is the wheel brush. I'm gonna take it out the plastic so you all can see it. Looks pretty neat, pretty cool. Red is my favorite color, so of course I love it already. And I definitely think it's gonna help me speed up the time with cleaning my wheels, getting those crevices that I tend to miss. So this will be on the store very soon if you'd like to order. I'm pretty sure this is the smallest size that I ordered, but they come in all sizes, so I'll have all sizes on the store for you to order. Now that we've got this open, let's open the next package. On to the next package. It is another accessory for my car. You all know I have that anti-slip, non-slip mat in my car, and it has the rhinestones on it. So I thought I'd add something else to my car that has some rhinestones. So without further ado, let's open the second package. Got it out the first package now. It's still wrapped up, still some more to go, so let's open this. Got it out the package. Here it is, still in the plastic. It's so cute already. Can't wait to show you. Now, if you live in Georgia, you know that you have to drive hands-free. So this is a mobile phone holder. You can mount it to your windshield, your console, your dash, whatever is comfortable for you in your car. And there's actually 3 components to it. So this is the first one. Of course, I had to order rhinestones, but this is the first one. And then your phone will sit here. So this one you can mount to your windshield like that, or you can mount it to your dash this way, Or if you prefer, there's a third piece that comes with it where you can actually mount it to your air vent and clip it on that way. Now, the mobile phone holder will come in a few rhinestone colors. Of course, if you don't want rhinestones, you can get plain as well. And I know I mentioned earlier, if you're in Georgia, we have to drive hands-free. But really, whatever state you're in, I think this will be a great accessory for your car, because we should all be driving hands-free, keeping our eyes on the road, staying safe as possible. So this will be on the store soon. Come shop with me. I hope you all enjoyed the unboxing of my products. If you'd like to purchase either of these products or any other products that are on my store, you can go to alexandermotorsports.us, and there's plenty more coming, so stay tuned in, be on the lookout, and until next time, guys, peace out.